Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today we will explain our application called ABC the tumor pancreas. In the absence of time, we will explain the code and its mechanism of actions. When the user enters in our application, the first login in interface will appear from him, and then the main interface will appear for him, which call it home, which is a set of options. We have it introduction, course, interview, quiz, notes, and about us, and of course navigation bar. Now we are going to explain the Java code. This interface, which is expressed as an XML file. This code presents the operation of the buttons. We created a scroll view. In scroll view, we put the linear layout. In this last one, we created the buttons, which the buttons has a name and ID own. Here, we created a button to link the XML file to the fragment with the pending, and each button has its own operation. Like we said, quiz have own operation. When the user click in the quiz button, he will get the quiz interface to take them in an exam which contains 3 questions. Here how the code XML look. Here put the text. In a linear light we put 3 buttons enter, then the next button, and when user finish his exam, the result is automatically displayed. This is the result quiz with code XML. Here I create class quiz data. We have created the questions. We have created the questions which with the type string and created array list. We call it section. And so we have the answers with the type integer. So we created the method of data generator here. So which we put the questions and the answers, and for each questions we put the succeed answers in it, the correct answer. Here succeed. Here we have A, B, C, the questions. So this is the different options to choose one of them which it's correct. So here I put the right answer. It's 3, number 3. Here it's course ID. Here course fragment. So we created list view which it has own ID, and of course each course have a title, and this is it, the code XML fragment title, which is it the created bottom, and it have style and default text, because in Java, code Java, we want to call it. Here code Java core data. Here it's class Java core data. So inside the core data we created class content. In the constructor we create array list which we put the information, of course.